So the next set of tools we're going to learn how to use are the manipulation tools. So first we're going to start out by drawing a shape. So let's start out by drawing a rectangle right on our x-axis here. After you draw a rectangle and it turns the shade of color, which means it's a solid shape, we're going to start by using this tool right here, which is known as the push-pull tool. So click on that, and once you go over the surface, it'll look like a bunch of tiny ants are on the surface. That means we're over it and able to select it. Click on it once, drag it up, and it'll turn from a 2D shape into a 3D shape. And you can go however high that you want to. So you can do this to any side you want to, push and pull into whatever shape you desire. Alright, so the next one we're going to learn about is this tool right here, which is known as the offset tool. So you'll click on the surface, and what it literally does is it offsets or makes the exact same shape of whatever surface you select, and you can make it bigger or smaller depending on what you want. And then let's say we offset that surface and we want to bring it up, kind of like we're making a building. You can pull it up and just keep repeating the process. Alright, next on our list here we have the move tool. So the move tool, pretty self-explanatory. It allows you to move an object in whichever direction you want to, and you can also kind of manipulate objects and turn them into different sizes and shapes. So right now we're just going to select this midpoint here and move it, and as you can see we can kind of turn it into an inclined plane. Looks like a triangle from the side. So the next object or next tool we are going to use is the rotate tool. So rotate tool is right here. Looks like two arrows going in a circle. So you can notice a protractor comes up, then whichever side or object we want to rotate, we obviously wait till it highlights and you see a bunch of little teeny tiny ants on it. Click on it once, click on it twice, and it will allow you to rotate your object. Obviously some objects aren't meant to be rotated like this this piece right here, but we can also rotate different sides to make it look a little bit more uniform to shape and size, whatever we want to. Alright, next and final tool we're going to learn how to use is the scale tool. So this one kind of allows you to modify the shapes and make custom shapes if you want to. So you'll grab the scale tool, click on your object you desire to modify, and you can click on these different points and you can move around and basically make custom parts and pieces and shapes into whatever desired shape or form you want to.